tờ lỡ prepare to has visit fly as Michael. Ok. Tờ lỡ dương thử đô từ tu on Michael đầm bay dương từ hiện vẽ bao giờ hả? Nông ca triềm thưa cái hàng thiểm plan mà mission tiết đây. Và tại nó đi chỉ hướng to luôn bỏ travel này. Nhà lỡ pu Michael còn là nhẹ mau phím tôi dụ trong bay mà chứ. Sorry, anything. Yeah.
DeSanta.
That's not the name in your file, Michael. Steve Haynes here.
Yeah, Agent Douchebag. Hey, that poor sumbitch we grabbed for you still breathing?
See for yourself, right now. Trevor Phillips is on his way to help with the debrief. Warehouse, off Dutch London and Banning.
Great. Sounds just like my kind of party.
Ôi kẹo dương từ warehouse nu xính chẳng dương từ tàm những từ tam kê xính đó. Ôi mẹ làm thà nhiều mẹ làm thà chú ó đi thông. Ok ta tiết chồng mà đó ngay đâu tới niềm đó đâu tới đủ chẳng. Ok. Nè kia toàn bài ấy thử cái nè. Pinh món nè.
Are you taking a dump?
Why do you care, huh?
The fuck is wrong with you?
I got abandonment issues. See a shrink once a week.
You know, fuck you.
Yeah, well, you know, nothing like meeting a bunch of creeps from the government in a quiet building for someone to grow balls.
Did you see his face that last time I popped it? Boom! Oh, ladies!
God, you're an asshole. You back there. I know you, but you I don't know.
Yeah, well, until I see reason otherwise, why don't we just keep it that way? Steve, what a pleasure, bro. Oh!
He reminds me of one of those guys you see advertising pills for middle-aged men that can't get erections.
Hey, Devin Weston is a very good friend of mine, so why don't you watch your tongue? Because let me tell you something, that guy gets more tail than, than a tail catcher.
I have to fucking remember that line. You. Where did we meet?
Nowhere, pal.
Yeah, we did. Hey, what are we doing here, huh?
This.
Please, keep the sleep bastard away from me.
No, Ferdinand, he's gone. He's gone. It's okay, I've got some new friends here now.
This is Michael, and this is Trevor.
Nó đi vẽ dương thư tụi cam viên đầm bề vì hẹp vì đi chụp hẹp đầm rối vậy. Nghèo này ơi lấy chi để xích nó cứ ca bay clear à ấy nó ca này trở tới cái đôi chỉ đi nhóm man phong nông phê chẳng sam sập hẹp máu tới sai sập hẹp máu quen mình tè bị dân cắt bị mà phay buôn máu bị tách này còn tái như mẹ lên bằng ngày chọp này hay bên đây là biệp nhôm đi chết từng năm nào chọp chẳng ở đây dù khăn tại ta tranh máu đưa tái bị tranh máu nhưng mưa tam chết đây xem thật ta hai like ba nó trong phố vẽ của muối đang bà sân chiều vẽ của muối đang like bán like bảo vẽ của muối đang việc tăng bà sân dương khăn phết của nhau mà thời gian like đây bài chị lên thấy upload cho không ấy á upload cho không YouTube ấy
No. You two are gonna drive up to Rockford Hills, and when we find out which man is the man with the problem, you put him down. Because I'm tired of these fucking nitwits at the agency taking all the glory.
Alright, fuck is all this, huh?
nhóm like bà đã nhưng mưa tập bà to bà đã này menu to mới spur.
You get to work, and I'm not here.
It's Caesar's place, round the corner from your house.
ទឹកបាត់ឡើង
The more I see of your boss, the more I like him.
I was you, I wouldn't be so critical of who others associated.
So is he gonna be a problem?
For sure. But there's nothing we can do about it. If something happened to him right now, I'd be right under a microscope. An electron microscope of bureaucratic shit. And that would make it very difficult to keep old secrets.
Oh, well, boo-hoo-hoo-hoo for you. You know who else is having trouble keeping secrets, asshole? Me. After you brought Trevor in on this.
I only brought him in after you put out your press release. Townley's taking scores again. The Los Santos reboot. If we didn't control the situation and he'd unearthed this connection, then what?
Then Trevor flips out, beheads me, kills my family, or raises them as his own. I don't
ចំ
know.
អានេះជីរេអញ្ចឹង
which is worse.
ពើមែន
Anyway, any of that could happen at any time.
Slow down. Let's think this through. What does he know?
He knows I'm alive. He knows I got money. And now he knows I'm working with the FIB.
Does he know how long you've been working with the
និយាយ
FIB?
ទៅអាកំបាំងរបស់ Michael ដែលលាក់បាំងពី Travel ហ្នឹងគឺដឹងអស់ហើយ Travel ដឹងអស់ហើយថាមានទាំងលុយហើយបានធ្វើការជាមួយខាងក្រុមប៉ូលីសសម្ងាត់ FIB ទៀត
Or we stumbled on the Cash Depot job. Brad went down, you went down. Trevor got away. The FIB cut you a deal on your sickbed, faked your death, and you end up here.
Who's to say which of those is true? This is bullshit. This place? Davey, they've been shooting the real cunts of suburbia here the last few weeks. No way that's your guy.
Shit. You are kidding me. I'll call Steve.
តោះ
Wrong house. This guy isn't our guy.
Okay. You sure you don't silence him just to make sure?
We're silencing someone.
មានអាអ្នកឲ្យដំណឹងខុសទៀតអើ
Get me
យ
another address.
ចាមានហើយស្អីក៏មានដែរណា
Hey, you want a coffee?
Turns out that was the wrong Azerbaijani. We need a new address from Mr. K. Choose your instrument and go to work on it.
Where do we start, eh, buddy?
Wait! What are you talking about? The wrong guy.
មើលយើងយកណាយើងយកណាខ្លាំងជាងគេ
Legally tell you to do this, but
យកអានេះហ្មងអញ្ចឹង
Look.
តោះ
Hey, please.
ចាក់សាំងដុតហ្មង
Panic! My heart! It shouldn't be legal!
តោះចាក់សាំងដុតហ្មងតោះ
No!
កាចហ្វូកាច
The water!
អូទឹកតាអូស្មាចាក់សាំងបើយកគេប៉ុន្តែអានេះក៏អាចតែដែរណា
you might drown.
ដាក់កណាត់ហើយដាក់កណាត់ហើយដាក់ចាក់ទឹកអញ្ចឹងធម្មតាកណាត់ទៅពេលទឹកវាធ្ងន់ទៅវាមិនត្រូវខាំ
I know
ទៅ
it's
សាច់យើង
legal, but he can still drown. Let's get him upright.
I can't breathe!
ឃើញតែពេលដាក់អញ្ចឹងទៅវាអាច
I wish it
Đi
never
nhá.
happened!
មកទៀត
Mr. Phillips, ask him about Tahir Javan.
Why didn't you ask me? I know Tahir. I did his home theater. He lives in Chumash, right into the Western Highway.
Well, that wasn't so tough, was it? Huh? Did you get that? Did you hear him? Lives in Chumash, the Western Highway.
Shumash, you're driving. Remember,
តោះយើងបានទីតាំងមួយទៀត
Kara does not take coffee breaks.
ទៅគេ Shuma Highway អីដែរជួយនេះអីគេអានេះអីគេមិនទឹក spray ណាអីគេ sprung តោះនេះជីចង់គាំង
What do you mean you haven't new album?
តោះចំឡានដូចខុសពណ៌ចំមិញ មិញឡានដូចជាពណ៌ខ្មៅតែដល់ពេលចូលមកវិញចូលពណ៌
Like I said, he's got his uses.
And as you can see,
Fuck
we
you,
try
wait,
to
that's
take
gone.
full advantage of it.
Then what?
This thing with the agency gets put to rest and we don't need you anymore.
Right. And what about Trevor?
What about him?
I need some resolution, Davey. You let him walk. You said you'd clean the whole thing up back in North Yankton.
And you told me it'd be a clean job, no casualties. There were more eyes on that town than there needed to be.
Yeah, well, according to my eyes, Trevor's your problem, Dave, as much as he is mine.
He's not a
អត់ទេ
problem
ទេ
at
បាយ
all.
ខ្ញុំធ្វើ
We're
conflict អា
monitoring.
key សម្រាប់ហ៊ាន
Has he
បើកយ
said
ន្តហោះ
anything about
ដោយសារ
Brad?
Fuck yeah, he
ដូច
has.
ជា
Plenty.
អត់ស្រួល
Keep changing the
ត
subject.
ដាក់ key
You know,
ណា
he
ំចេះ
thinks you might
ហើយយើង
actually
សុខចិត្ត
commute Brad's
ចិត្ត
sentence
ចេះ
when
ទៅ
this is all over.
ពេល
That's
ត្រូវ
good.
ចុច
Fine work.
នេះ
We'll send another letter. It's about time anyway.
Oh, so that's you who's been sending those fucking letters to Trevor, huh?
Yeah. He thinks they're from Brad, who he thinks is locked up in high security and not, well, not 6 feet under in a grave marked Michael Townley. The trainee's right, and it's a good exercise.
Yeah, the fuck. How'd that get started?
A few years ago, a letter came to the federal prison system addressed to Brad.
យ៉ានឹងមែនអូខេតោះ
This'll do.
តោះ
All right. Find out who we're looking for.
we got a sniper baby
of the target.
Yeah, I'll take care of it. Loosen him up.
Oh, no, no,
We
please.
got a
I tell you
sniper,
what,
boy.
Loosen him up.
No, please.
តោះតោះមកហើយរយរោមអានេះឃើញគេជួយស្មាដំបូងស្មាគេជួយចំតោះឥឡូវយើងយកគេ
The
អ្នកនរគ្នា
nation demands it. Come on.
នេះហ៎
I am a reasonable man.
អានេះឆក់ហ្មង
Sparky!
ឆក់ហ្មងតោះ លឿន
My heart. You can't. No, no,
ប្រៃ
no.
ផ្សាយប្រៃផ្សាយពូត្រូវធ្វើផ្សាយ
Don't.
អាយ៉ាណែណែណែណែណែ
Not the clips.
ណែណែណែណែណែណែណែ
Don't.
ណែផៃផៃ
Don't stop me.
He's cooked. Quit it. You'll run out of juice.
Yeah, he went and pissed himself.
មិនហ៎ប្រាប់អត់ឥឡូវប្រាប់អត់សួរសិនប្រាប់អត់
The ringer. In his heart?
ភ្លក់រស់ឡើងវិញ
I was going
កំ
to
ចង់
die.
ហើយកំចង់ធ្វើស្លាប់ខ្លាំងខ្លាយអូនណារស់វិញតោះ
Hey. Now? Huh? Now? You ready to talk?
You ready to talk?
មកហើយឥឡូវណាគេប្រាប់មក
I got kidnapped.
អូអ្នកឲ្យលេងនេះមែនយូមួយ ស្ពើលេង
Yeah, this guy we're after.
ចឹ
What
ង
does he
គឺ
look
ខ្ញុំងាកអី
like?
កុំប្រកែកប្រកាន់បាទធ្វើអី
Retired, middle-aged.
Yeah, it sounds like you're stalling. This better be enough.
ក្រុមខ្លួនឯងស្រឡាញ់ផងហើយ
Middle
ចិត្ត
build, whatever,
ឡាយ
he's
ផង
dark.
ចឹង
Okay, he's
មើលបណ្ដានេះបណ្ដាទៅយើង enjoy ទាំងអស់គ្នាទៅបើសិនណាគេជាអ្នកគ្រប់គ្រងប្រិយប័ត្រមែនយូអី
What do you see?
អាច
I
គេបា
see
ន
a couple guys that are way too old and too fat to be doing a political assassination. We're live.
You see anyone down there who might be an Azerbaijani?
Fuck do I know? You might be an Azerbaijani for all I know. What's one look like?
They look Eastern.
Half this town looks Eastern, Davy.
ឥឡូវយើង
You
ធ្វើការ
got the
រ
fall
ក
of the Shah and the collapse of communism to thank for that.
រកនេះសិន
Anyone stand out?
No, they all kind of blend in.
យើងរ
Make
ក
a call.
គោលដៅ
Dave.
សិន
We're gonna need some more info on this guy. They're having a party down there.
តោះចឹងព័ត៌មានដែលយើងចង់នេះហ្នឹងវាអត់គ្រប់គ្រាន់អញ្ចឹងអត់ដឹងថាណាគេយើងកុំឲ្យថាយប់យិនសម្បិនយប់ធ្វើទៅវាខុសច្រើនណាអញ្ចឹងយើងត្រូវធ្វើការសួរបន្ថែមទៀតដើម្បីឲ្យដឹងថាតើអ្នកណាគេជាអ្នកដែលយើងត្រូវតែសម្លាប់គេមិញហើយតើឥឡូវដកថ្មីញ៉ៃបដ
No. I just have them lasered. Wait.
នេះពងវល់នេះពងវល់ដកចាយ
Oh, he was a tough SOB, that little
ដក ដកថ្មីបានមួយហ៎មួយថ្លៃធ្វើថ្មីហើយទៅពេទ្យឲ្យគាត់ថាបាន free ចឹងហី
We need Trev to
អស់
shake
លុយ
up
ដូច
the
គ្នា
memory
ហ្នឹង
again.
ហើយត្រូវចាក់ថ្នាំស្ពឹកចាក់ថ្នាំអីអានេះស្រួលហីឈឺតែមួយផ្លែហើយ
He's got beard. He's got Gucci beard.
You got the
I think you're
Gucci
making this
beard?
up.
You got the what?
Yeah?
I'm telling you the truth.
Bushy beard?
What?
Any beardy types at this
Okay.
party? Huh? Because that's all Mr. K's given us.
Okay.
You know, I'm thinking maybe we ought to just take 2 bullets and put them in our
Please,
informant
no.
and just call an airstrike on Chumash Beach.
We're back in. Give me some eyes.
Who am I looking for?
Steve's saying beard. What do you got?
Anything specific, or is some stubble gonna cut it?
Let's start at Mountain Men and we'll work our way down until someone fits the profile.
There's a few beards at this party. Vinewood's full of weak chins. The
Trời.
place is famous for it.
មានពុកមាត់ងាប់
Beards are
1
in fashion in Chumash.
2
Land of
3
beach hipsters. We need more.
4 តោះ
It's gonna be a long day until you give us some intel on our targets.
តោះប្រាប់ម្ដងឲ្យហើយអត់អីឃើញឈឺខ្លួនណា
It smokes like a fucking chimney.
I don't know. Trev, maybe one more time? Just to be
No,
sure.
please, no. I told you, he smokes. That's all I know.
មើលអានេះហើយអានេះហើយអានេះហើយអានេះហើយតោះ
Where you want it?
នេះបដៅអីចឹងនេះមកហើយចឹង
Come on.
The breaker.
មួយទៀត
Mr. K,
តើកន្លែងនេះវាដូចសាហាវពេកយើងកា
Steve's
ត់
telling me he chain smokes redwoods.
It ain't the cigarettes that'll kill him. It's the guys who put the warnings on the packets you should worry about.
And he's
អានេះ
left-handed.
អី
Oh, now I get it. You're telling me to assassinate a guy because he's got facial hair, a cigarette, and
អានេះនេះ
he's left-handed. I see someone. He fits the profile. Yep, fits it all the way. I got a good feeling. About as good as you can
Nhưng
get
mà
from
làm thế
a
à,
bad
phải này
guy
đấy.
who probably don't deserve it. And now I'm taking the shot.
ហ្នឹងឯង
Baby, I got someone. Definitely a lefty. Redwood smoking, bearded, maybe, could be, used to be, Azerbaijani.
Good enough for me. Steve, it's done.
woo! That is a wrap, my friends. Excellent work, the pair of
Yes.
you. Now I got a racquetball game to get to, so Trevor, if you take care of Mr. K, I think we're all set.
What the fuck do you want me to do with him?
I would say he's outlived his usefulness.
Oh, come on, please.
Shut up!
That's a sport.
Let's go. Come on.
Where you taking me to?
Fuck, let's just go, okay? I ain't gonna let those G-man fucking scumbags tell me what to do.
What? You just tortured me.
Don't ask too many fucking questions. Let's go. Get up. Come
សួរ
on.
ច្រើន
up
ណា
the
អា
fucking
ចិត្តទៅភ្នំ
stairs.
ចិត្តនេះអីហ្នឹងហ្នឹងឡើងបែកពងនោះ
Oh, for fuck's sakes. Come on. Let's go. All right. Now you got a flight to catch. Okay? Let's get you to the airport. Oh, safety first.
ពាក់ខ្សែក្បាតផង
Hey, how's your mouth?
It hurts.
Can you speak?
Kinda.
Are you gonna hold it together?
I want to go home. I want to see my family.
No. You have no home. You have no family. That shit is over.
I do. They're in the morning wood. I love them very much.
No, that's your old life. That's over now. You're off the grid. You're one of the invisible people.
Just take me home.
I'm taking you to the airport. You're gonna get on a plane. You're flying a long way from this country and you're gonna spread your message.
I don't have a message.
You're a torture advocate.
Advocate?
The media and the government would have us believe that torture is some necessary thing. We need it to get information, to assert ourselves. Did we get any information out of you?
I would have told you everything. I would have told you everything.
Exactly! Torture's for the torturer, or the guy giving the order to the torturer. You torture for the good times. We should all admit that. It's useless as a means of getting information.
I'm feeling lightheaded.
Departures. No one drives me to the airport.
អូខេជួន Mr. K ដល់ពលានអញ្ចឹងបែរជារួចខ្លួនហើយមើលទៅហ៎
Run. You're
ហ
free.
៎ជ័យឡានរបបទ្វីហើយពូ Travel បើកទ្វីឲ្យ
Your
ទៀតជ័យលយ
family
មែ
is probably the ones who got you fucking in here, all right?
អានេះសរសៃ invisible door ហ៎
You're alone now.
Really?
Yeah, really. Now let's go. Fuck off. Come on.
ពូខ្មៅហ្នឹងដល់ពូខ្មៅហ្នឹងឯងដែលមិនសមិញលោកមុនហ្នឹងនេះចំឲ្យពេលចុះមកអញ្ចឹងគេអត់សង្ស័យទេចុះតោះទៅមកវាមានឈាមអីចឹងអូខេឥឡូវបន្តមកទៀតអូស្ងាគាត់ស្ងាសួរច្រើន ជាពូ Michael វិញហ្នឹងដើម្បីយើងទៅរៀនបើកយន្តហោះថ្ងៃហ្នឹងស្រួលរវល់ហ្នឹងបើកយន្តហោះហ្នឹងនេះអញ្ចេះខ្ញុំសុំសេរី setting មួយសិនអូខេអញ្ចឹងអានេះ
A whole lot later, I hope.
តែប៉ុណ្្នឹងទៅបានចុចតែអញ្ចេះទៅបានចាំបាច់ទៅអីគឺ
Your car is the shit. So
តែជាប់ដែរហ្នឹងហើយតោះទៅសិនចាំយើងគិតតទៀតឡើយយើងទៅរៀនបើកយន្តហោះទាំងអស់គ្នាមិនចាំបាច់រៀនច្រើនមកអីនេះរៀនតាមតែហើយបាទនេះអូខេតោះឥឡូវ Yes số là hai mission 2 ស្ក្រោយហ្នឹងតើតែយើងតើយើងមាន license នេះបើយន្តហោះបានយើងអាចនេះបានឡានជឿទៅពងថារកឃើញឡានណាយតំណងខ្ចីជីសិនស្បែកនេះចង់ស្ងាត់លូតផ្កាយមកលេងបានរៀនបានសូត្រឡើយយើងចតឡើងនៃស្រួលសិនឲ្យសំជាពូពូមករឿងមែនមែនហើយ
Oh, hey.
គាត់ធម្មតាទេគាត់ត្រូវតែអានេះកន្លែងពលានហោះអញ្ចឹងយើងត្រូវតែមានការគេហៅថានេះហ่าអីគេជួយចិត្តទុកដាក់ទៅលើសុវត្ថិភាពអូយច្រើនណាស់ច្រើនខ្លាំងអញ្ចឹងឥឡូវដើម្បីយើងមានlicense ជាអ្នកនេះបានគឺយើងត្រូវរៀនប្រហែលមេរៀន1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 អូខេ13មេរៀនតោះទៅយើងទៅត្មងទៅមកចាំបាច់
My name is Jackson with a J.
ខ្ញុំកាត់បដ ாய் ព្រោះអី
We're gonna start with a basic takeoff. Hold the throttle all the way down to pick up speed, and pull back on the stick to take off. You can retract your landing gear once you're a safe distance above.
ដល់រកតាថយកន្លែងស្រែខីនេះថាវិតាuse phone ទៅ
Congratulations, pilot. You are now airborne. Now, navigate through those checkpoints marked on your radar, and we can move on to the next lesson.
តែឡើយយើងទៅចឹងសិនណាតែមានអារម្មណ៍ថា key ដែលខ្ញុំ
That was a good start.
វាអត់ស្រួលសោះ Tức là mạch tỏi dưỡng chanh hay cho quýnh chanh hay cho quýnh Đó, chẳng bảo ấy được.
Well done.
Nè, chỉ chết bị trâu là như vậy. Bộ môn nó bị ọt. Score là bị ọt score tới bây giờ bàn bị ọt bàn nhìn trâu lá. Đó, thế tiết xây cái
Now I'm going to have you attempt a safe
cho hả?
landing on the runway.
Cho, ok.
Start reducing the
Okay,
plane's
ủa nè,
altitude
chắc cái
gradually so you're just above the runway as you approach. Be sure to deploy the landing gear before you reach the runway. Start to decelerate while you're still in the air, but be careful not to stall the engines. Executed like a pro! Now let's get the plane off the runway. Taxi over to the marked area and come to a complete stop. How can I teach you to fly if you're not in the aircraft?
Chết mà chồng. Vô lấy tầm xa tiệm xa tiệm. Xa tiệm xa tiệm.
Start reducing the plane's altitude gradually so you're just above the runway as you approach. Be sure to deploy the landing gear before you reach the runway. Start to decelerate while you're still in the air, but be careful not to stall the engines. When you touch down, continue to apply the brakes carefully until you come to a complete stop. Try to land as close as you can to the checkpoint marked on the runway. Executed like a pro! Now let's get the plane off the runway. Taxi over to the marked area and come to a complete stop. That was an excellent landing.
Dương stop cái này nôm kia đó bị chẳng chết à. Từ từ. Đi xuống
In this lesson, you're going to be performing a couple of different stunts. We'll start you out with a few barrel rolls. And if that goes well, you can take a crack at flying upside down.
Nhớ là phần năng sơ miền đầy bá xì phoi mình chẳng à trong atom mình khơi là cái tech chu ó tốt vậy xạ tech này mới trâu rồi
First, I want you to get some altitude and head for that checkpoint marked at the end of the runway.
bao cô nát xạ tech chu ó câu tinh nữa đa ở nhóm này làm thả ấp đá ở
Good. Okay. Let's see what you got. On my mark, perform a barrel roll by pulling your flight stick to the left or right. Okay. Perform a barrel roll. Stones of steel. I like it. Now let's try a few of those in a row. Level out your plane and get ready.
rồi nhớ lại cô dần
I want to see you do 3 barrel rolls in a row on my signal. Watch your altitude on this one. Okay, perform 3 barrel rolls in a row.
Right, but
Are you getting dizzy in there yet? Go ahead and level out the plane again. Now let's see how you do upside down. On my word, roll over the plane and hold it steady. Okay, roll the plane upside down. Hold the plane upside down for several seconds.
So
Roll the plane right side up. Great work out there today. I'll teach you some more moves next time.
easy bro មានណាអីពិបាកជាងហ្នឹងទៀត
This lesson will help you build your stick and rudder skills. You have to keep your
បាទលទ្ធផលនៃការប្រកួតរបស់ Manchester United ជាមួយនឹង Tottenham Hotspur នៅនាទីទី 19 ដល់ពេលនេះគឺ 0-0 នៅឡើយទេបាទ
You'll have to keep your wings steady and use your rudders to maintain altitude. When I give you the signal, I want you to try to hold a knife edge with your plane. Okay, perform a knife edge. Perfect. Now hold that position. Don't forget to use your rudders to maintain altitude. Good. Let's see if you can do the same thing on the other side. On my mark, roll your plane over to the opposite side and hold the position. Okay, perform a knife edge on the other side. Level out the plane. That was an amazing run. You should be very proud of yourself.
Tao mạch khoa mê đáy sầm rật đấy rồi là chọp cháu nè nhưng thưa ca như tó nè chào á mẹ chân mau mà hiến pilot nhé lùm chứ hiến là bay ra đấy
When I give you the signal, I want you to try to hold a knife edge with your plane. Okay, perform a knife edge. Perfect. Now hold that position. Don't forget to use your rudders to maintain altitude. Good. Let's see if you can do the same thing on the other side. On my mark, roll your plane over to the opposite side and hold the position. Okay, perform a knife edge on the other side.
mẹ nói thà lê ở mấy lần với
Level out the plane. That was an amazing run.
mẹ mà
You
lê
should
về
be
mình lần
very
rồi
proud of yourself.
អូសង្ស័យពេលចុចមិញប៉ះនេះផ្លាប់ទៅវាទៅអាខាងលើវិញអូធ្វើមែនណា
This obstacle course is designed to teach you how to get better control.
អូខេអូអានេះវាគ្មានអីពិបាកជាងអាការ GTA Vice City អាវៈដាក់ក្បាយទេលោកអើយ
To navigate
Đưa
this
thử đi
course
đó.
as fast as you can. Watch your altitude though. This is really a test of how low you can go and how well you can maneuver the plane.
ទៅ con sơn hay đến chặt tre này còn men nhú khi đã bọc thế toàn thấy xìu á đã mà khóp nữa rồi snap tịnh rồi em dán tịnh nữa
You're looking great out there.
mình nói chứ mà sẽ khen nó
solid.
là chăm mà không liên ai dùng na như thế này là
Very nice. looking great out there.
លេង Fly Simulator app បើ
Nicely done.
320 80 ម៉ោងមែនសែ
Keep it up.
មែនចេញមកសែនេះទេបាទចាំតណែតពេលសល់យ៉ាងម៉េច3
Excellent job. I couldn't have done it much better myself.
2 easy bro គ្រូបញ្យល់ច្បាស់ឬក៏មកពីសិស្សឆាប់ចេះ touchdown
In this lesson, I'm going to teach you how to perform an emergency landing. Remember to begin decelerating while you are still airborne for a smoother touchdown. Then, once you're on the ground, the brakes should bring you to a full stop very quickly. Okay, do you see your checkpoint marked on the radar? You're going to practice an emergency landing on that bridge, straight ahead.
Sợ emergency landingទៀតនេះក៏លយណា
Slow your approach as you descend onto the road. If you touch down smoothly, your plane is going to stop pretty fast. Wow, you kept the plane in one piece. I guess I'd call that a successful landing.
បានហើយប៉ណ្ណឹងបានហើយ loop okay
The inside loop can be a little disorienting, so we'll see how you... Take off and head for the marker at the end of the runway. Some pilots find these moves particularly tricky, so it might take you a few tries.
yeah.
Always make sure your plane is straightened out before you attempt an inside loop. On my mark, pull back hard on the flight stick and hold it. Okay, perform an inside loop. Get ready to level out the plane when you're near the end of the loop. That wasn't too bad for a rookie. Let's try it again. Just like before. Steady the plane first, wait for my signal, and then pull back hard on the flight stick. Okay, perform an inside loop. Get ready to level out the plane when you're near the end of the loop. Now we're talking. You're doing good so far. I think we can squeeze in one more stunt. We'll combine the inside loop with the barrel roll to perform a roll off the top. Start with an inside loop, but only go halfway. When you're fully inverted, then roll the plane over. Now, when I give you the go-ahead, yank the flight stick back as hard as you can. Ready? Perform a roll off the top. Now roll the plane right side up. Good job! Hard to believe you were only a beginner not that long ago.
ខ្លួនសារៀនឆាប់ចេះអត់ចាំមែនខ្លួនសារីឆាប់ចេះអូអានេះអេលីកូម្ដង
You've been doing so well in the plane, we're gonna put you in a helicopter.
helicopter
Let's go on a short tour of the city, and we'll see how well you handle the chopper. Follow the marked course, and remember, I'm looking for maneuverability, but also speed. Nicely done! You're looking good!
Yeah.
Nicely done! The bridge didn't seem to slow you down at all!
អូអានេះបែរជាមិនបានគ្រូទេមើលទៅចំអាហ្នឹងមិនចាំបាច់ចូលដល់នេះមែនឬក៏
What happened to that checkpoint? Very nice.
Trời. Mẹ bot bài chặt nè vơi.
You're looking great out there.
Cái card của họ mười bạc.
Into the city now. Watch out
Oh.
for street lights and buildings.
Bạc trương mền.
You need to keep the aircraft off the ground.
Đấy ở đây nè.
Looking solid.
Looking solid. Come.
You got this. Very nice.
Oh. Tê. Tê. Tỏ. Cái đó tiếp vào đầu.
You need to keep the aircraft.
Tầng đó tiếp vào rồi. Ở đây helicopter viền bản tích nào này viền bản. Để xây sủa lắm. Cho mà lấy spur card của hồ muối này còn tham men như chassis. Nó thử mấy mà gạt của hồ.
Very nice.
Yeah, good start, good start, good start, good start.
Nicely done. The bridge didn't seem to slow you down at all.
Mà đà nè, cái ơi hiện
Nicely done.
nhìn thò mà đà đo pe hái miền vẹo 10 tiết ơi hiện Alico. Cái cam thi sắc sai cho bị than á. Không trong mới để ca hôm mình ca hôm là biên mà kiến bao nhiêu hoa và đá mưa toàn ba và đá nè mẹ đón thà vẽ hiến nó khát bê chở đấy mà thơ mission việc vào nè đòn này hãy đưa đừng cùi lên. Không sai cái này mẹ đón thà đôi chỉ u áp này anh ấy pe ha trong máy này này áp thị pe thì ấy cái thì up ấy thì âm môi chật mà nó mà chật mà nó chi dừng ho từ một linh rồi chứ multicaster nguy tật nữa không thuê vậy an thôi vậy rồi còn đấy xe muối mang ở bên mua chụp bợt bạc tò món bợt bạc mà ta hồng Casimiro Silver con thì we you know
There's the landing pad. Go ahead and set her down nice and easy. Good job.
tới brown.
Not too bad for your first heli course, but we've got some work to do.
Helicopter speed run.
This is another helicopter lesson, but with a real emphasis on speed this time.
Thôi nha vậy nè.
Remember, this course is all
Cái áp
about
này.
speed. To maximize acceleration, keep the nose of the helicopter tipped. Just bear in mind that you're also losing altitude when the nose is pointed down.
Áp khlang mấy người nè.
Good work so far. Keep her at full speed.
Nói mưa là mưa cái gì phía bộ.
Looking solid.
Bây giờ này mưa pin nha. Sus đây. Sus đây. Sus đây. Like đi là over đây được tí bác.
That's it. You are blazing now.
Shit. Ok. Cho mình Spurs ở đọc nữa nè, menu ọt xí ấy. Ô còn lại đấy.
Keep it up.
Share bà sân chỉ này thế share môi mất bà. Đối với chỉ ca lên tập chất bàn chân thế ác xạ tẹt chu o cô tăng mở đa ở chu o cô nâng scan tới bị tranh mình chẳng đấng gọi chẳng đấng cho mọi chi sửa chỗ phỏng speed mà đây mai đây mì hiện pilot miền vẽ đăng đây anh ấy bom mất hiện tới đầm bay thuê cái Mission Impossible mình cứ này bọc phe lấy thôn ngọt nữa vậy mà ngay với ta mệt chất đấy ta đừng ở con đó đấy đi đâu đó đấy tới vô mày đáy pran thì thôi lên là bán ra đấy mệt nhom lên on đấy
Bring the helicopter down gently onto the helipad.
mạch ban thơm một phần đó chồng Ý, lên lấy nghiền trăng thiệt bán đấy trời
All right, not too bad. You made decent time.
cho một crop ơi CK goal
We've taught you how to fly a helicopter. Now you're gonna learn how to jump out of one.
cục sạp ơi
Hope you aren't afraid of heights.
miên à
Aim for the
nè
target
ao
and
ơi
deploy your parachute when you start getting close to the ground.
ao ơi cái ở hiện lô chặt vô thế ơi cục sạp cho ba mấy cái xi mày ô vào lẹ mạo tọt phạt cái tọt phạt nào đó để giờ thôn co bọc menu rồi bá này menu lấy kìm máu ấm à ត់អីអានេះអត់មាននីតិអញ្ចឹងយើងអាចធ្វើការតាមបច្ចេកទេសរបស់យើងវ៉ាវអ្នកមើល5នាក់សើសាច់ញាតិឯងនេះតែប៉ាត់សាច់ញាតិអ្នកស្គាល់ហ្នឹងល្អអ្នកជួយតេស្ត QR code ហ្នឹងណាសាក់បាញ់10 20គេនៅដែរ
You can be pleased with that. That was pretty close.
Easy bro មានអីបាបអាហ្នឹងសួរ drop zone enter យកវិញអីណាទៀតហ៎តោះ
This lesson will involve skydiving onto a moving target. So I hope you brought a change of underwear.
មានអីបាប
The drop zone is on the back of a moving truck. So take your time maneuvering with your parachute. It's better to pull your chute early than late. It will give you more time to track the target and try to match its speed.
Nè cho dân chọt này chóm chỉ môi năng nè ấy tức này dân thưa vụn bu chân tất châu này đấy thì tiếng bia mà đò
Oh, so close! This isn't easy. So
đấy.
The drop zone is on the back of a moving truck. So take your time maneuvering with your parachute. It's better to pull your chute early than late. It will give you more time to track the target and try to match its speed.
Tía đã như sẵn sàng Super Idol is ready to the jungle.
Nice! Definitely seeing some improvement.
Opposito. Chairman. Đọt mò tủ sạp. Tà. Ôi, đọc mê đi trong khá ngó phải máy như bạn thưa ấy. Tà. Thì dục tiết.
I want you to take your very best shot at this obstacle course. There are going to be special gates that will require you to fly upside down or knife through them.
Này cứ cái hai thằng Ultimate mê riêng á, mê riêng để dương riêng trang tổng án như thấy trâu vẹn hơn đúng không? Ok, vô lại. Này, tìm được. Bên này lưng nó ngon. Liên thế, bên này lưng nó liên thế.
Get ready for the next gate. Since it's marked green, you'll have to perform a knife through it. I'll give you that one.
Nhà biết được sủa rồi chứ. Nhà biết con chi. Mà ngay tới ở đây nữa.
This next gate is blue, so you're gonna have to fly through it upside down. Stay on track.
រៀងចង់ប្លែៗquáណារៀងចង់ប្លែៗភាសា
You got this.
Attitude at Terminal 2 1992
That'll do.
จะให้យើង flexible តន់អូខេស៊ីសងទឹកដៃយើងដែរយល់ឡាចូលមកផ្លែតបើគាត់ចិត្តចប់តង់ទី1បាត់
You're looking great out there.
จะដៅវិញណោះដើរលេចា Super Idol
Try to hit them clean if you can.
យើងត្រៀមដើម្បីធ្វើ loop
Try to keep a good line.
តាមហ្នឹងសិនហើយប្រូអើយថ្ងៃដែរណាគេអូត្រូវចំស្រង់ទៅមិនទេនេះសើ
Awesome.
កុំចង់ហ្នឹងនៅមេដៃមាសនេះ
You made that look easy. Brings a tear to my eye to see how far you've come.
easy like a piece of cake ហើយខ្ញុំឈ្នះហើយទៀតតោះទៅណាទៀតទៅនេះសិនណាមានអារម្មណ៍ថាកំពុងតែត្រូវការរថយន្តមួយគ្រឿងដើម្បីជាយានជំនិះវាហៅថាធ្វើការទៅលឿនណានេះយើង Super Idol នេះជួយចំចិត្តចូលដាក់ចិនធ្វើអីចេះជាងចិនទេបើនៅក្នុងឆាតអ្នកណាគេកូនចិនខ្លះជួយ comment ដាក់ថានេះអោអាងបើតត我是柬埔寨人
Shit.
Travel ទៅណាចុះ level ចុះអូអាកន្លែងបាញ់ខ្លួនអូទៅបើកឡានយកឡានសិនទៅកន្លែងប៉ូប៉ូលីសនេះកន្លែងគេរឹបអស់ឡានមើលសិនមានឡានគេខ្លះបើហ្នឹងហេងសយដែរគេបើកទៅបានឡាន sport គេបើកទៅបានឡានស្អីណាព្រោះវាដាក់ឈ្មោះឡានអូយវាដាក់ហូបចាយើងនេះចាំយកនេះខ្ញុំប្រហែលដែរ Policia what's up brother នេះមានដល់2នេះយកនេះហ្នឹង
Whatever.